Sawubona baba Matlala.
Sawubona.
Yaphila mfethu?
Ngiyaphila.
Hayi ngiyaphila. Sorry. Between ubabcele nomkhotho banokudouble inyuke eBhaya.
Ubaba ucele.
Double.
Yebo.
Mara ke babongile kule mali obapha zona. Babuyile babonga.
Ya bayabonga ya.
Umkhotho yena ubongile.
No.
I've noticed ukuthi umuntu olungile mfethu uyaphana ngemali. Nangosizo futhi. DA Mayor uTanya Campbell the time offer service ngecompany yakhe ye security yena wabuya wazobonga.
No.
Zanga bonga.
Yebo.
Mara. Okay. I know. Mawuthi ubheke icela ubongele ngiyabonga mfethu. Do you know any gun laws? Sharp ngama gun laws.
Yes.
Do you have your competence?
Yes, I do have.
Did you like go for training yoko dubula and all that?
Yes, I do.
Is that the reason why umkhotsi akubiza ngo John Wick ngoba shy spam?
I don't know.
Maruzulu to Brown uthi John Wick.
I heard that, yes.
John Wick wena.
I'm Vusi Matlala.
Mara uyashaya vele fo.
Ngiyenzani?
Uyashaya. Like yanemba ke mawudubula yadubula kwa.
No.
Awudubula. Okay. Now what I'm asking because emamelodi bayakusaba mfethu. Kune ruma lokuthi ayawinsizwa udlala. Why do you think bakusaba kangaka wenzani lengaka?
Mina ngazi ukuthi bangisaba ngizwa ngawe.
Angizwa ngabantu namfethu ngiyisithe ikhona ora yikho ngokwazi kwakho. Yaqala ukuyizwa. What would be a reason yokuthi uhambe ngesecurity engaka at some stages? Is it because unama enemies or khona abantu oxabene nabo or you were involved in some businesses that put you at risk?
First of all, is because of business to advertise your business. That they need to see it to operate kanjani.
Okay.
That is the main, yeah.
What is your educational level?
Matric.
Matric only.
Yes.
So if ngabuyele kasi Hotman, you advise intwana ezifuna ukuba uwe because yabo uyakhinda bra wami idlupho yalihlaba awudlali mshana malume indwangu yayishaya strong. But that inspires a lot of kids. Uthi Hotman igcoka kahle and all that and is successful. What would I advise them or how would you advise them to become